Hi, everyone. Welcome to this course on soft skills. And on this video, I am going to try to explain very quickly and very softly what is the Canvas Instructure platform, where we will be sharing material, comments, and extra activities. So I'm going to share my screen. Canvas Instructure is very intuitive. I think it's very easy to use. You will receive an email, and what you will see, this email if you accept the invitation. Maybe the first thing that appears is this thing called dashboard. Also the platform asks you to to publish your information. So over here, this is my dashboard, and you have this thing that is your account. So in your account, you can adapt, you can write your information. In this case, for example, this is my profile, my name, my pronouns, what is my biography, and any links if you want to share. And you can also add an image if you wish. Now, there are two options. Maybe the first page that appears is this one, your dashboard. The course that will appear on you is this one, soft skills. So when you click on that, I'm going to show you the student view, because what you are looking at right now is my view as a teacher, as a creator of contents. But your view will be something like this. So over here, you will have the different modules of this course. In this case, you can see, there is a welcome. There's over here, what you can see only is 4 modules, the 4 first sessions that we will have. First one on creativity, second one on critical thinking, third one on empathy, and the fourth one on negotiation and photography. I will be uploading the contents little by little, all right? So if you click on welcome, you will see that there is some information displayed. In this case, this is an external link. It's a video that you can see over here on the platform, or you can watch on YouTube directly. You can always click the arrow on the left corner that brings you backward, or you can go back to home, all right? Over here, you have on the left side, you have the word home, and it will bring you back to the modules. For each module, you will have the same thing. For each module, you will have extra links, extra contents, extra information or activities that you may want to do. For example, in the case of the module creativity, that this is the first one that we have seen, or that we are going to see, you have the introduction to creativity with a text. And on the bottom of the page, on the right corner, you have an arrow that says next. So you can click to next, and it brings you to the next activity. This is a discussion, all right? Discussion. What is it? I have posted a question. Are we born with creativity, or can we build it, and can it be destroyed? So my suggestion over here is that you reply with your comment, and every people will reply, and we can reply to a specific person because we liked or we didn't like their comment, or we want to add some information, or we can just reply with a general content. This is a discussion. So the more you participate with your comments, with your ideas, the richer it will be. You click on next, and you have the next activity, another video, for example, in this case, the next activity. These are just suggested activity. Also, I am going to be sharing the PowerPoint presentation that we have seen in class if you want to review some concepts, some ideas. And also another activity, an assignment. All of these activities will not be graded. They are just for us to share. Of course, I will consider them. I will give you some feedback on them. The more you participate, well, the better I know what kind of feedback you can give, and the more you will learn English in the end. All right. So, okay. So over here on the left side, you have some well, titles that gives you a different approach. You can click on assignments, and you have all the assignments that are already uploaded on this Canvas Instructure, or you have the discussions that I am suggesting we have. Some pages will not have any information or will not be available for you, but well, you can go back over here also on modules. So each of these modules have different activities. Each of them have different suggestions that you can do. Now, I am suggesting that in order to check the material about critical thinking, you will have to have completed the prerequisite on creativity, prerequisite on creativity and so forth. To be able to check empathy, you will have you will need to have completed number 1 and number 2. And for number 4, the other 3 is important that you complete. Also, some activities, some exercises won't be open or won't be available for you until after the session. If you check, for example, also on the calendar, you will have the calendar, well, right now it's empty, until some activities that I am suggesting, some dates that I am suggesting, like the dead end that you have to deliver that activity, so that I have time to check, to review, and then to give you feedback on that. Okay, now about inbox. Well, right now my access is denied, I'm sorry, but this will be, or this can be, one of the ways that we can communicate. Inbox means that you will send me a message, or I will send you a message over this inbox. Instead of sending emails and emails, we can communicate through this, or we can also communicate via WhatsApp. But for example, if you upload an assignment or an activity, it would be nice if you send me an inbox so that I know that you have completed certain tasks. I don't know, well, we will have time to discuss this. If you have any questions, any comments, I would be very glad to reply, to help you out, discover this Canvas Instructure, which I think it's really user-friendly and useful for us to share all of this information. Depends on the module, on the activity, on the program. I will be sharing different kinds of contents. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks.